come from Jamaica.
Jamaica.
Yeah.
Okay, well you're Jamaican me horny. I'm just saying. What, I don't know what's going on.
What do you mean you don't know how go on? Where you live?
Louisiana.
Louisiana? You see me? You ever come to Jamaica yet?
No, I'm scared of Jamaica because they're full of colored people, and Mama says that y'all run around bushes down there. She says y'all run around with machetes and AK-47s and shoot up backseat boys and stuff like that. So,
Yo, miss. There's other parts of Jamaica too. You have the nice part them, the beach, the hotel them. Yeah.
Okay, so what about the backseat boys?
We're not talking about that on the live, you see me? But I don't know what going on for them already. You see me?
Exactly. I'm scared.
Wait.
I don't like them either. I don't like the backseat boys either.
Me never said that still, you know. So I don't want to go.
You just said, you know what? You just said, you know what happens to them down there. You just said.
No, me see, I put word in my mouth. I'm gonna say, yo.
I'm trying to put something else in your mouth.
Yo. Big up, hey. I want the, hey. Put on your foot. Put on your foot.
Okay.
Put on your bumbuckler foot, man. But hey, I don't you ever tell bad man say I put things in their mouth. When I deal with them sitting there, brother. No. Not a blood clot. No.
Well, you gonna put something in my mouth to shut me up?
I say a brawling for the life.
Huh?
I say a brawling.
What?
So, what's your name again? What's your name?
Terry Joe.
Say it again.
Terry Joe.
Terry Joe. So Terry Joe, I'm gonna ask you something.
Yeah.
Hey, Terry Joe, fix up yourself on the people them like Terry Joe. You can't do that.
It's a little hot down here, so I'm putting on my shirt.
That Terry Joe, that sound like our man name. You know?
Oh, my bad. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to do
Terry
that.
Joe, I want to come back. Hey, Terry Joe, if you stop it, you know.
What?
Yo, me bomb guys, what we are gonna do?
What do you mean?
Fix up yourself on the people them live. Why you try to show up?
Myself is picked up.
Hey,
You pick up yourself.
what you do? Stop, come closer to the camera. Let me see your face only. No, mommy bumbo clown, pussy clown, weirdo.
I want to kiss me. I thought you wanted to kiss. Why'd you say come closer?
Yo, me dodge that a while ago, you know. I wanna dodge that.
Huh?
Alright, stay like that. Let's have a conversation like that. Is it? Don't go too back and don't come too forward, alright? You understand me, Mr. Terry Joe?
Yeah.
Alright, Mr. Terry Joe. So Terry Joe.
Yeah.
Terry Joe, Mr. Stop it!
What?
Stop it! Stop, Mr. Hey, stop it! Stop, Mr. Come closer.
Stay right here. I'm just standing right here.
Come closer. No, we don't want to sit from the shoulder up. We want to sit from the face up.
Oh.
Yeah, just like that. Yeah, fix up yourself now. Yeah. All right, stay just like that. Don't move. All right.
Yes, sir.
Yo, Terry Joe, don't. No, I'm not talking in no way. You see me? Don't say yes, sir. I just want to say, Terry Joe, my name Luke. Say Luke.
Daddy.
Terry Joe, man, your bumbo clock father. Don't call me daddy. Man, your daddy. Cause me I hear all heap of things from the people them life. I don't know what they going right now in that foreign.
I don't know what you're talking about, sir. Are you Cajun?
Me what?
Are you Cajun? Because I can't understand a lick of what you're saying. But I do know something. I would like to get a lick.